Welcome to discovery, to new opportunities, to learn and networking. Welcome to Milan. With more than 500 people from over 30 different countries, ready to share their ideas and expand their network. Let's celebrate diversity, community and experiences through tourism. We are proud, we stand for what we believe in, and we love to travel. Since 1983, we've been here to advance LGBTQ tourism globally and to build connections that will allow LGBTQ people to be welcomed and travel safely. Welcome to Milan. Welcome to the 38th IGLTA Global Convention. Travel, learn, connect.